There are so many myths about Baker Group. Obviously, we've come a long way. Started in 2019. Over the years, we've grown to now 50 staff, and we specialise in repairs and maintenance of commercial cooking equipment. These kitchens are different because of the size of the operation. They need a larger company looking after them and a highly skilled company. So we have a dedicated operations team. We have a scheduler per state who liaises with both the customers and the technicians. And that's imperative to be able to talk to a real person 24/7 when you need us most.
I've watched Baker Group grow from its starting days, but now they've found their stride. They cover all brands. They've got a great network of getting the parts in quick, keeping the techs up to date with the latest of what the equipment is. I think he follows the same ethics of looking after the customer, giving 100%, and they're just kicking goals in every area.
Obviously, my old man's a bit of a legend of industry. I think what I learned working with my father was the importance of having the best people, because the best people provide the best possible service. And we've brought that forward into Baker, and it still rings true today.
So I was a chef for about 9 years. I think it comes in handy to know how the kitchen works and how chefs work and how to work around them.
The most crucial thing with the kitchen is that they can't have any downtime, so they need their equipment fixed as soon as possible. We have a lot of parts in our trucks, vans, a lot of the major consumable parts, and any part will get you out of a breakdown situation. Any other stuff is in our warehouses around the country, so we can get those directly to our technicians as soon as possible.
Key market are any high capacity venues that smaller operators struggle to service consistently.
Which is stadiums, casinos, nursing homes.
Yeah, big league clubs, RSLs, hotel chains.
Pubs, clubs and high capacity venues.
Well, in regards to our FIFO operation, we're the only company in Australia that provides 24-hour mobilisation time to remote sites. Everything excites me about Baker Group. If you had have asked me 5 years ago where we'd be, I would not have said here. We've come a long way. We're going to continue to grow, and as we grow, the opportunities that come from that are something to really look forward to.